So when people ask me about why did I create the Tools for Life leader training, one of the first things I say is because many people over the years have come to me and said, how do I do what you do? I really want to learn how to work with others, whether it's in groups or individually. And so this inspired me to want to design and create a training program and that could help people, support people in this work. And of course, one of the things for me is I really believe in people's ability to grow, to step out of their old habits and beliefs and structures that keep them inhibited, keep them held back, and to be able to shine. So when we give them the right environment and the right tools and the right skills, they find new ground in themselves. They find new possibilities of how they can work with individuals and with groups.